Have you ever heard someone speak English so naturally that it just flows effortlessly? Not with big words or perfect grammar, but with style, confidence, and ease? You don't need to memorize the whole dictionary to sound fluent. The truth is, fluent speakers use simple, powerful phrases in the right tone with the right timing. So in today's video, I'll share with you 10 powerful English phrases that will instantly make you sound more confident, more fluent, and more like a natural speaker. And don't just watch. Practice these phrases with me. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use all 10 phrases in real conversations. Let's get started. Phrase 1. That makes sense. When someone explains something to you and you understand it clearly, instead of saying okay or I got it, say, that makes sense. Example, the meeting was canceled because the client is unavailable. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Why this works. It shows understanding, maturity, and calm communication. It's used often in professional and personal settings. Practice tip. Try using this in your workplace or during English conversations when you agree with someone's explanation. Phrase 2. I'm not sure, but I think. Fluent speakers are not afraid to say they're unsure, but they say it with confidence. I'm not sure, but I think. Example, do you know where he went? I'm not sure, but I think he went to the conference room. Why this works. This phrase is respectful, soft, and still helpful. It avoids sounding rude or negative. Practice tip. Use this phrase when you're unsure but still want to participate in a conversation. Phrase 3. Let me get back to you on that. This is a super professional phrase used in business communication. Let me get back to you on that. It means I'll find out and reply later. Example. Do we have the latest sales report? I'm not sure. Let me get back to you on that. Why this works. It sounds responsible. You don't guess or give wrong answers. You promise to follow up. Practice tip. Start using this at work or during any professional conversation. Phrase 4. I'm just about to. This phrase shows you're going to do something very soon, in the next few minutes. I'm just about to. Example. Hey, did you send the email? Yes, I'm just about to send it. Why this works. This is much better than saying I will send it soon. It sounds active, immediate, and fluent. Practice tip. Use it in your daily routine. I'm just about to leave. I'm just about to start dinner, etc. Phrase 5. It's not a big deal. This is a calm, friendly way to say no problem. It's not a big deal. Example. I'm so sorry for being late. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. Why this works. Fluent speakers don't overreact. This phrase shows maturity and emotional control. Practice tip. Next time someone apologizes or makes a mistake, use this phrase to keep the situation light. Phrase 6. That's a good point. When someone shares a good idea or opinion, use this phrase to show you appreciate their thinking. That's a good point. Example. I think we should launch the product next month instead. That's a good point. Why this works. It shows you're a thoughtful listener and team player. Practice tip. Use this during meetings or discussions with friends or coworkers. Phrase 7. If I'm not mistaken. This phrase is a polite way to say I believe so or I think I'm right. If I'm not mistaken. Example. Didn't she work at Google before? Yes, if I'm not mistaken, she was a project manager there. Why this works. It adds politeness and reduces the risk of sounding arrogant or wrong. Practice tip. Try using this when you recall facts or past events. Phrase 8. Let's get started. Simple, powerful, common. Let's get started. Example. All right, everyone, let's get started with today's meeting. Why this works. It sounds professional and confident. Better than saying, shall we begin? Practice tip. Use this before meetings, presentations, or even casual group tasks. Phrase 9. I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? When you don't understand someone, never just say what. Instead, say, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? Example. She said the budget was 7.2 lakhs. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? Why this works. It's polite, natural, and respectful. Used often in native conversations. Practice tip. Practice this phrase when watching English videos. Pause and say it aloud when you don't understand something. Phrase 10. I'm looking forward to it. This is a professional and positive way to express excitement or anticipation. I'm looking forward to it. Example, see you at tomorrow's interview. Yes, I'm looking forward to it. Why this works? It shows good manners, interest, and professionalism. Practice tip. Use this when ending emails, scheduling meetings, or accepting invitations. Let's quickly recap the 10 powerful phrases to help you sound fluent and confident. That makes sense. I'm not sure, but I think, let me get back to you on that. I'm just about to. It's not a big deal. That's a good point. If I'm not mistaken, let's get started. I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? I'm looking forward to it. These phrases are not complex, but when used naturally, they can make you sound just like a native English speaker. Your challenge. Choose 3 phrases from this video and use them in conversations today. Repeat them over the next 7 days, and they will become part of your natural speaking style. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share with your friends, and comment below. Which phrase are you going to use today? Don't forget to subscribe for more practical English videos every week. Until next time, keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, fluency is built one phrase at a time.